50-50.
আসলে পরে যেতে যায় অটো দিবি না
ডিফারেন্ট পেয়ার করছে
তারপর গ্রিড পঞ্চাশ
মিস্টারলি
Don't forget paste GD.
what do you write in
I say this don't matters. For the different person that name, it doesn't matters. It doesn't matters. But what matters is the place you see where I place, where you place.
শুরু করে দিই সেই পেয়ার নিতে হবে কি নাম দিছে
After you finish, you can update into PCB. What we are doing is in the PCB.
কথাটা খুব মিস করবো কাজটা নো ফিনিশ ফিনিশ না সবাই তো কমন দেওয়ার চলে গেছে তোমাকে দিয়ে দিতে হবে না নেটে দিতে হবে ওকেই তো দেখি না কি নেট লেভেল দিছে
After you finish, after you change orientation, you just update. Something. Where's the net level?
Yes. Something দিলো কেসে না নেট লেভেলের উপরে একটু আর একটা দিয়ে এলাম
What's this project? I mean, because you commit it, commit it. I mean, you're doing another business.
What is your net level কি জান বলো
You can move away.
এটা কি সেম নাম দিবেন না 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 কেন দেব ডিফারেন্স পেয়ার আলাদা আলাদা পেয়ার না আচ্ছা
And I need to say some things. When you place, you may find I place very close. You can place far away or any other. Just the connection correct is enough. You can place like this or any else. Just the connection correct, then it's okay.
কি তা হইলো সেভ করি connection this side.
Have you finished?
Please wait, we are newbie. What?
পিসিবি নিতে হবে না?
Finish? Finish? Finish, don't ask me to check. This is a very simple part. Did you save your PCB? PCB? You didn't save your PCB.
পিসিবি নিয়ে যাবেন না? ইলেকট্রিসিটি
Why this? Mr. Lee? Why this? Is it okay?
ডিফারেনশিয়াল ক্লিয়ারের কাজটা কি আমি ক্লিয়ার করা কার সাথে কার
You see? This is wrong mark.
You want to move closer?
This two is correct. These two.
আমার তো রেড মার্ক হয়ে গেছে তাহলে আমারটা তো রেড
Did you change your grid?
No.
So why you don't change? Because you don't change your grid, this one cannot place on it.
গ্রিড চেঞ্জ করতে হবে
Why to change grid?
হ্যাঁ
Why to change grid?
কন্ট্রোল জি হতো না
Why to change grid?
Properties.
Hmm.
Make it smaller, 50.
50.
এমএম আছে না নীল আছে নীলই তো আছে
You still didn't know the fast way to set your grid. You just click the space spot. Open the properties, you can see the grid. Okay? Have you finished this part? So did you do this part with update into PCB?
গেছে রেট গেছে যাই নাই তো
Okay, okay.
আমার দুইটা গেছে আর দুইটাতে যাচ্ছে না আমার একটা আছে
কেমনে গেছে
অটোমেটিক ডিস হয়ে গেছে
কি কত দিছো গ্রেড কত দিছো
40 কমাইলাম মাত্র
আর একটু কমাই দিয়ে দিবি সাব ডিসটেন্স
আমরা যে একটাই তো একটা ঝামেলা থাকবেই
একটাও নাই
There's something wrong in my software. I need to reopen it.
কত দিছো গ্রেড কত জায়গায় 50 দিছো
তারপর গেছে আমরা সবগুলো গেছে
Something wrong with his computer. So you need to restart.
এই কত গ্রেড কত দিছো
গেট 50
সব জায়গায় 50 ইয়েও 50 সব জায়গায় তো 50 স্ন্যাপ ডিসটেন্স
না ওইটা যেটা ছিল ওটাই দিছি ওটা 100 আছে
40 100 আমার এখানে তো কম আছে 100 দিয়ে দেখি এখানে তাহলে 100 এখানে আছে 40 তো না
আমার গেছে
আর জুম করেন আচ্ছা
Find a similar object. Select one. Find a similar object. We just learned this morning. And edit all these parts. Remember? You just select one. Right click. Find the similar objects. Text. See? Okay, apply. So this only these few text. Okay? After finish that, here we change into true time. And here the auto position, we can change it into center and we can change it into manual. Anyway.
শোনাই নাই তার মানে
Now we just place like this. This is a good position, right? If we just make the white line like this, it's a good position, right? And we don't need to connect line now. We just place here. Okay? Do not connect the track. Have you finished place like this?
No, just here.
Of course, select the room.
কানেকশন তো আসে না আমার হ্যাঁ
কানেক্ট হয় না ঠিক মতো
This is just
বলছিল না
the placement. Zoom in for what? What do you want to see? You cannot see the position.
এখন কি করছেন কোনটা চেক করছেন
ওই যে স্কিমেটিক্স
স্কিমেটিক কি চেঞ্জ করছে কি চেঞ্জ
So
করছেন
did you finish? Did you do like this?
কানেকশন তো এই যে হয়েছে তো এই যে
আমার তো ওখানে সমস্যা ছিল পরে আবার কানেক্ট করে দিছি হয়ে গেছে এটা হচ্ছে 7 8 এখানে
So you first do it. I'll see what we are doing. in this course, we are learning is to change the pins or say pin swap, which means, for example, in this order, it's a good order, right? This is a good order. But if I move this one like this, you see the line is mixed. Because these are different components, it's an easy way. We just move the component, we can do it. But what if there is a whole component and their P connection like this? You can see I go back to the schematic and change it, right? But that's a way. Also that's a simple way. But sometimes we need to change in our PCB, and that's what we will do it. Pin swap, just change the pins of the connection. Okay. Move the placement like this.
আস্তে বসে দেখেন
Did you finish like this?
হ্যাঁ এখানে বসান আমার কানেকশন হয় না
You don't need to care about the discriminator of my component. You just need to see the white line. Their cross like this is enough. Okay? Have you finished? Or finish, I will go to the next step. So here we click, we want to change the pin of this component, right? At this moment, we need to change this 4 pin here, this 4, we want to change their order, right? We want to change the connection, we want to let this one connect to this one. For example, we want to connect this one to this one, and we want to connect this one to this one, right? In this order will be easy to routine, right? So how can we do it? Now I will start the recording at the same moment. After we finish our cyclomatic, our import from cyclomatic to PCB, now we start and we place our component like this to make our connection have a cross. Now we need to change the pin of this component. So what we're doing, we first click this component and we will find the component axis. See it? Component axis, and in configure pin part swapping, we click this. Click this one. Okay. Have you opened this page? Right click your component, then click component axis, and click pin part swapping. Okay?
Configure pin/parts.
Have you finished? I show it again, and in the video you will show one more time again. Component axis, configure pin part swapping. Okay, we are in the page. Okay. Now we need to find those one we want to change. So first we get the pin name, right?
Pin name.
The first addition to change the pin is the pins you change, their function in this component is the same, right?
Yeah.
For example, one pin in your component is changes, other pin is I/O output or I/O input. You change, it's of course not, right?
Yeah.
So the first addition is the same one. So here we say pair group. No, pin. First, we see at the top we get 3 parts, right? We get 3 parts. First is the pin swapping. We insert this first. Pin swapping. Okay? So now we in the pin and we get to change, for example, this 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, we see the name of PC, right? So we can change its pin group into the same value. You can use words, you can use numbers. Here, for example, I use the number 1, which means all these are group 1. So all the group 1, here I change the value of PC1 to 6. PC1 to PC6. Okay? Change them all into 1. The pin group, I change the value into 1. Okay?
1 to PC6.
After you finish, you click OK. Okay? And we click OK again. Now we keep PC0 to PC6. Yeah, they are in the same pin group. PC7? Totally 7 pin.
Yes, total 7
Now we finish this, right? Then we click we see its property, and we go through. Here we can say enable pin swapping. We enable it here. Okay. Now, have you all finished this step? Finish. After we finish, we go to our tools, and we find pin part swapping. Okay. We find it, and here we can use automatic net pin optimizer. We can use automatic. For example, we just click to see what will happen. Now you see, the fast optimizer have completed 4 out of 7 swappable pins. Now we see the results. And here's the 10. We see it changed. It gives us a useful, but this is automatic. You can see here we get a space, and we don't want like this. For example, if I want to just use this 4P, so we don't use automatic. Automatic is also a way. So I just come to the, I do it again. I click pin, part, swapping. Now I click the second one. Alternative pin part swapping, a pin net swapping. Okay, here I will see this 7 pad all get highlight red, right? Now we want change. How I change? I click the one I want to change to another one. For example, here I want to change this one with this one, right? I click this and I click this. You see they change. And I click this, I click this. You see they change. And still not good. We keep change. Keep to this. Now we get a good order, right? So this is P swapping.
কারসর দিকে
সবুজ হয়ে গেল তুমি কই গেছো
কারসর কেমনে ব্যবহার করলো তো কারসরটা কেমনে ব্যবহার করলো
না উপরে
ওয়ার দিয়ে
না এটা অটোমেটিক চলে আসে
কই আসলো না এটা দেখো
So, and we click configure pin part swapping. Okay? Now, here we get three parts. Pin swapping, differential, pair swapping, and path swapping. Okay? Now, are you clear?
Yeah.
Now, we go in the pin swapping first. Then, we choose, we can see all the pins here, right? We get designator, pin name, net, and bus type, part number, and the pin group, all this here. But we just need to change one thing, pin group. The keys that can be changed and you want to change, you set them in the same group. For example here, I want PC0 to PC6 into a group, and so that I can change it. So I set here
নিচে নিচে
one.
হ্যাঁ ওটা
Okay? After finish this, did you finish? Click this component and in its properties, you will find the swapping options here. Enable pin swapping. Okay?
হ্যাঁ
Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, this is second step.
Enable pin sweeping.
Finish? All finish? No. You just click the, we can use automatic net pin swapping. You just click this. It can give you a solution. But maybe the solution is not the one you want, right?
Yes.
For example, now I just use this automatic optimizer. Now it gives me a solution, right? And we just keep doing. I see it give a result. It can be used, but not the one I want, right? Have you finished this step?
Yes.
Okay. After finish, Ctrl Z. Go back.
Go back.
Yeah, Ctrl Z. Go back. Only once. Finish.
নাই এটা নিয়ে কি করব
Only one Ctrl Z. After finish, now we use memo changing this port. Tools, pin pair part swapping is the second one. Alternative pin net swapping. We click this one. Okay? Did you do it? You will do it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, you click the first one and the second one, which means you want to change this tool. For example, here I want to change this one and this one. I want to change this one and this one. Now I finish. I right click.
Select all this one.
Okay?
Huh? Select all this one.
Have you all finished?
Yes.
I have video. One more time. You could only check in the videos. Okay? After finish, we need to do the next thing. Okay? We need to
Maybe can color sense করো
update psychometric. Because we changed here, we also need to change in our psychometric, right? These two parts need to be the same. So we click this. And we click yes. And validate the changes, execute changes, the close. No, we go back to our psychometric and see what was happening. So here, the order changed, right? And we need to see the pins on the component on this, on the page, and then keeps okay. Or close. Or I show you again. And I make a report.
দ্বিতীয় স্টেপটা হচ্ছে না, প্রথম স্টেপটা হচ্ছে
Yes, what will change?
হাত দিয়ে না কারেকশন করেও আমি এইভাবে কারেকশন করতে
Due to our
টেবিলের সাথে করতে
other stream. So we see. Now it's finished.
এটাই হলো উদ্দেশ্য। আবার এই ভিডিও করে ম্যাক্সিমাম যে মাউস নড়াচড়া করে এখান থেকে ম্যাক্সিমাম দেওয়া যায় দ্রুত যেরকম করতেছি কেন দেওয়া যাবে না, কত দ্রুত স্ক্রিন রেকর্ডারের সমস্যা।
তুমি হাইড করছো মানে ওইখানে আগে কথা শুনতে হবে তারপর করতে হবে যেমন নিয়ে রেজিস্ট করে
So for this part, are you clear? Now we talk about the next part. Okay. We talk about similar place. We right click component actions and configure pin path swapping. We click here. Now going to the second part. Differ pair swapping. Here. See it? Did you see it? Did you see this? In this page at the bottom, we can click show pair from directives. Now we get two different pair, right? Then similar, we add a pair group like this. We add it for it, okay? For example, I add this